Hello guys, what is up, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video what I will be teaching you is how you can send dice to your friends in Monopoly Go. So let's get started. Now when I say send dice to your friends, actually sending the dice you own to your friends sadly is not possible. What they will have to do is earn them through playing the game and earning them through the several ways you can. However, one way you can help your friends get dice is by the first method, which is if your friends invite you to play Monopoly Go and you don't already play Monopoly Go, you can accept their invite, and each friend you whose invite you accept will get 100 dice from it, guys. For example, if I invite one of my friends through Facebook and they accept the link and start playing, what I will get is 100 dice for each of them who accept. Now that method is blocked by an upper cap, meaning that you can only have a maximum of dice from that. And as far as I'm aware, guys, the current maximum for dice you can get from friends is 10,500, which means you can only get 105 friends from your link, and then you will earn dice from them. However, another way you can use to actually help your friends get dice is if you take their phone and take their game, and if you go into the shop, as you can see, you can use currency, you can use actual money to pay for more dice, and if you pay for more dice on their account, they will then of course get those dice, and then they can use them to play further. Those are, as far as I'm aware, the only two actual ways to get dice. One more possible way to get dice is to actually send your friends duplicate stickers you have in your albums, and if they have enough stickers of a certain star value, they can then open the safe, and when they open that safe, they could get more dice from the reward. That is pretty much it from me, guys. Sadly, you cannot send the dice directly to your friends, so I'm sorry that I couldn't teach you that. However, I hope this video has been helpful and that you learned something new about the game, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you'll watch our other tutorials, and I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.